Welcome back. Eating out on a diet without feeling guilty. How do you do it? Either don't eat out, don't be on a diet, or don't feel guilty about it. But if you came here, you want to lose weight or lower your cholesterol or blood pressure, you're wondering what do you eat when you find yourself at a fast food place, a pizza place, watching sports at the bar, you're at the game, you don't have the usual healthy options that you like to keep when you're trying to lose weight. What do? Do you cheat on your diet? Do you eat carrot sticks? Do you just be hungry? Do you just avoid going out with your friends? Here's how you fix it. Welcome. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance. I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. Realistic focus is a big part of the guilt free framework. And this is actually session 7 of the full plate sessions. Link below. Restaurants, a dieter's dilemma. I go in depth talking about what you can do in restaurants to make sure you stay on track with your path to freedom and fitness. All right. So what happens, you can get stuck, you can feel unsure of what you can do, you don't enjoy hanging out with friends, or you do it and you feel guilty, you feel like something's wrong with you, you might feel bad, you fall off your eating plan completely just because you missed a couple of meals, or you went out that one time, so now you can't start again until like your New Year's resolution. And then you start to wonder, are my metrics ever going to get better? Am I ever going to lose weight? Is my cholesterol going to go down? How can I actually make the changes that I wanted, even though my friends are inviting me out to go eat? All right. And the big thing I want you to remember is just enjoy it. All right. As long as you're not going to these places every day or several times a week, really going crazy with the biggest, greasiest meals, usually your cholesterol and your weight are going to be fine. It's just one meal. So you want to keep it in context. But a quick solution, if you find yourself, oh, surprise, what am I going to do? Is get veggies with your meal. Okay. So you can do a side salad if you're at a wings place watching football or something. Get a taste of some of your friends' fries, but have your own side salad with your wings. So then you still get the vegetables in. All right. That's the big part of this full plate diet. And how I coach is understanding that it's not about restricting yourself or feeling guilty for when you can't keep your all or nothing diet. It's about increasing your fruits and vegetables and enjoying your life, letting your health support your life so you can, get the results you want and enjoy yourself at the same time. Another thing, if it's like a pizza place, have a salad before or during your first slice. All right. There's another way to do it. Um, Substituting fries for vegetables in general, that can help. The bigger picture that I want you to think about is don't use an all or nothing approach in the first place. If you're going to have a weight loss plan, you're trying to lose weight or lower your cholesterol, don't do something that's going to make you feel bad if you don't hit it perfectly every time. What you want to do is have a sustainable plan that keeps you balanced. All right. Another possibility for you, you can suggest restaurants with your favorite healthier options, things that the menu's like, you can look in advance and it's going to be good and reasonably healthy for you. If you are trying to make sure you're on like a healthier path instead of just like, making these substitutions here and there. Okay, so leave a comment below. What's your favorite healthier options? And then check out the full plate sessions. Those are linked below. You can hear the whole session. It's a little more concise and it makes more sense. But this is a good tip to get you started when you're dining out and you're wondering, what do I eat? And then next, you can watch Will One Day of Overeating Ruin My Diet? How to Lose Weight Guilt Free. I'll put that right here. That's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace.